whenever you switch on right, whenever you switch on this key, the current passes from a positive terminal to negative terminal. Here this is the lattice of the conductor. This is the lattice of the conductor where the positive ion, right, where the positive ions are fixed, right, where the positive ions are fixed, where the positive ions are fixed, right, positive ions are fixed. Then there happens electrical field. What happens? Electrical field happens. Electrical field and current moves in the same way by losing its energy to the positive ions, by losing its energy to the positive ions, by losing its energy to the positive ions, by colliding with the positive ions, by losing its energy to the positive ions of lattice because of electrical field. Because of electrical field, the energy may be light energy, first heat energy, next light energy. And what happens here? What happens? Someone listen it. Whenever you switch on, the current from it passes from this side, I passes this side and collides with positive. Listen it. Collides with positive ions by losing its energy to the positive ions. Then what happens? The energy is getted by is got by light or frizz or anything. That is the main. What should we do? Positive ions, it shivers its energy to the outside. The energy will become heat energy or light energy. Then what is that? What is energy loses? Whenever here energy is loses, the positive charge moves from this side to that side. That is the process of this schematic diagram. What is here power? What is power? What is V? Tell me. What is I? What is I is equal to? I is equal to V by R. I is equal to V by R. See, by C. I is equal to V by R. If you close I, V by R. Then V is equal to IR. V is equal to IR. I times resistance. Then what we have told? Then work done is equal to, what is work? Work is equal to what is work? Joule by coulomb means joule by coulomb. Okay. What is that? Work done is equal to Q by work done is equal to charge by what is V? Sorry, what is V? V is equal to voltage is equal to W by charge. W by charge. Then W is equal to what happens? Work is equal to VQ. Am I right? W is equal to VQ. What is Q? So what is Q charge now? Q is equal to Q is equal to W is equal to W is equal to pass it. Right. What is power then? Power is equal to work done for unit time. What is work? Work done is here W per unit to time. What is there here? Then what is that? P. Power is equal to Power is equal to W by T. What is W here? What is W here? What is W here? VQ by EQ by T. EQ by T. Am I right? That is unit. Then power is equal to W by T or VQ by T. Then if you change this, what is Q by T? Q by T is equal to, what is that? Q by T is equal to charge by time is equal to, what is that? Current. Charge by time is equal to current. P V I. That is VI. VI. Okay na? Q by time is equal to charge by time. Charge by time is equal to P by V. Then if you change into what is V is equal to, what is that? V is equal to, what is that? V is equal to IR. Here V is equal to IR. P is equal to IR. V is equal to IR. V is equal to IR. P is equal to IR. Then it becomes I square R. I square R. This is the second formula. This is first formula. P is equal to, power is equal to work by time, or power is equal to I square by R. Next
minus 2
I is equal to what is that? I is equal to what is that? P is equal to I is equal to what is that here? I is equal to I in the I place. I is equal to V by R. I is equal to V by R. V by R. Then it becomes V square R. E square by R. This is the third equation. In that way, you will be given in the examination. You will have to understand by doing the all problems. Have you understood? How many problems are there here? First one is P is equal to power is equal to the count side. Power is equal to W by T, and another one I square by R. Another one V square by E square by R. These are the three formulas, very important for doing this. What is the unit of power? What is the unit of power? What is the unit